نص الوجه.
Okay.
اللي ظهر فيها بنطة.
Now head up, but don't lift the abdominals. Okay. Only head up and look up.
والله كان حلو.
That will stretch the anterior abdominal muscles. Okay. Up. Okay. The next one is hands. Hand up. Head up. Okay. Head up. Head up. Head up. 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 More. Relax. Okay. That will stretch the anterior abdominal muscles. Okay. Now keep the hands like this. And go back. Hands back. Can you feel the stretch here? Yes. That is for pectorals. Okay? Again, stretch. Try to rotate outside. External rotation of the hands. Down. That will stretch the pectorals. Okay? Next one is, this is 3 for stretching the anterior muscles. One is on elbows, one is on hands, and one is for the pectorals with external rotation, 120 degrees of abduction and going back. So this will stretch the pectoral muscles. Okay? Now, to strengthen the back muscles, go prone again. Prone. Okay. In elbow position, if you lift one hand, what happens?
Stretch.
Okay? It will strengthen the back muscles. Down. Other one, hand down like this. Okay? We'll do for 5 times. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down. Other hand, 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down. Breathe, 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 breathe. Breathe from the nose, leave from the mouth. Okay, now both hands forward. Okay, see, look here. Head should not be like this. Head should be like this. Chin tuck. Okay, and lift the hands. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, 8. Everybody, come on, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Breathe. You can come on to elbows and breathe. Breathe. Okay? Get up. So can you feel your upper back is strong now? Can you feel the activity?
Tamam.
So this is to strengthen the upper back muscles. So the treatment is stretching of the pectorals, the anterior abdominal muscles, and strengthening the upper back muscles. So this is what is treatment for the kyphosis. Okay? Now, neck, usually forward chin posture. Most of the people have forward chin posture. So, which muscles are lengthened and which muscles are shortened?
Trapezist, doktor.
Length back. Can you see this? The posture is this.
Trapezist, doktor. Trapezist nasıl?
Trapezius is shortened or lengthened? Shortened. Okay, the trapezius is shortened. Cervical muscles are shortened. Okay? Ahmed, it cannot be like this. Even if it is like this also, these muscles are increase in length. Okay? So you have to get it back. So this is called very important exercise for cervical spine people. That is chin tuck exercise. What is the exercise? Chin tuck. Okay? So keep your 2 fingers on chin. Okay? Move the chin forward. This is the posture, abnormal posture. Chin forward. Okay? You have to teach the patient the cervical spine has to become straight. So chin tuck. 1. Relax. 2. Relax. 3. Relax. 4. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay? So this will strengthen it will stretch the back muscles and strengthen the suboccipital flexors. Okay, there is some muscles between the occiput. You know the occiput? Occiput. The head occiput and the first vertebra. First vertebra, atlas. It is called atlas. Occiput and atlas. The movement is like this. Okay? Between the atlas and odontoid process, the movement is like this. So this is yes movement and this is no movement. Okay? So this movement, yes movement, is very important to stretch the shortened muscles and strengthen the required muscles. So this exercise you can do by keeping the hands with resistance. So you keep your hand, okay, and push your hand. Okay, not like this. When you are pushing the hand, not like this. It should be chin tuck. Push. 1, relax. 2, relax. Chin tuck. Or 1 finger on the chin, 1 finger on the head. Okay. Now chin tuck and push the head. Relax. Chin tuck and push the head. Relax. Chin tuck and push the head. Push. Relax. Okay?
Doktor, give resistance.
You give the resistance. Whatever you can take within the pain limits. The resistance should be within the pain limits and within the capacity of the patient. Okay? So this is to correct the forward posture the patient has. Okay? Now we'll see what else, what exercises we have there. One is curl up. This we have done, double leg lift, lifting both the legs. That we have done already. Trunk lift. This we have done for the back muscles in prone position. That is the trunk lift. Reverse curl. This we have done for the internal obliques. Lifting both legs up. Remember? Lifting both legs up for internal oblique. So that is reverse curl. And knee to chest. This is to stretch the back muscles. This we will do. Single leg hang. This is to stretch the iliopsoas. Arms and leg lifts. This is for back muscles. Okay. So we'll do some more supine, supine.